Good morning, everybody. What time is it? Oh, it's 5:30. Isn't that nice, innit? It's 5:30 in the evening, but we can still say good morning because it's morning somewhere, innit? Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Come in. I hope I set this to public. Did I set it to public? I hope so. Welcome, everyone. Come in. Goma, obviously, always the first. Marina. Welcome, come on in, make yourself a cup of tea. It's going to be a good lesson today, guys. A massive lesson. So how do you pin posts onto here? It's all right, I'll figure it out, don't worry. Let me photograph you in this light. Hi, Goma. Oh, wrong one. Just waiting for more people to come. Share this out, guys, while we're waiting. I always say morning, sorry. Hi, Samuel. Samuelu. Welcome to the live. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of being an intelligent performer. Okay? Using science to be able to crack the code of your listener, to be able to get through to your listener easier. I just realized I didn't put any highlight on. What a shame, innit? We're going to miss out. Hi, Mahasin. How are you? Hi, Malelingasu. Hello. Hi, Medina. Thank you, Medina. I just woke up like this. I did. I woke up and I was like, what's happened? It was already on my face. I couldn't believe it. Yeah. All right. So we're going to talk about, firstly, I want to tell you guys about my beautiful special, my great special, 57% off weekly online group singing lessons. If you haven't already signed up for that, please, I am gonna leave it in the comments after this, but also it'll be on my page. It'll be everywhere on my page. So just go in and sign up. I think the video that I posted before this one was the link to it. Otherwise, it'll be just go to my bio. It's in my bio. It's in the about section, and it's 57% off weekly singing lessons for yourself, for your child. It's completely up to you. However, that means you guys are not paying $35 per week. You guys are only paying $15 per week. For as long as you're subscribed, you can cancel at any time, completely up to you. And so, I want you guys to take advantage of that opportunity before I pay for Facebook advertising, and then it gets opened up, and then you guys get left behind, and then I'm going to be like, well, I told you to sign up, but you was gonna be like, oh, I don't know, so $15. My gosh, it's the cheapest I've ever had any lesson. So make sure you guys are signing up. Malele, the link, I will let me just go get the link real quick. Stay here, I'll be back. Hold on. See, I'm back. Okay, cool. Malele, I'm posting the link in the comments now. Okay, so if you go onto that link, you're going to go straight to my video and page that explains what all the lessons are about, and then you guys will get that massive as discount. I've never done that before, but it's my way of serving my community and also still looking after my family as well, while we're on lockdown and things like that. But you know what, I thought, what better way to give back to everybody who supported me. And I want to thank you guys so much, because other businesses are shutting down, but because my students are so persistent, so passionate about their learning, they kept learning even through all of this stuff that was going on. So thank you so much. Thank you. Hi, Paul. Hi, Joseph. Hi, Samuel. You will never get better deal from any professional. Thank you so much. It's going to blow your socks away. It's fun, but also I don't just teach you how to sing. I teach you how to activate the brain. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to talk about how sound and frequency activates the amygdala in the brain. It activates the limbic system. So that means you as the performer can get the exact whatever reaction you want from people. You can create that reaction. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Share that out, guys. How come I can't share my own thing? I can't share it. It's not letting me share it. Yay, Annie! Hi, Manny. Excellent. Okay, let me just quickly share this while we're here. Ooh! And let me know if you guys have any requests, okay? Because we're going to use songs to be able to, you know, activate what we want to activate, right? I just want to tell you. There we go. I found it. Oh, so I have to go out. I can't share it from here. I have to share it from somewhere else. Okie dokie. Okay. I'm just sharing it. Hold on. And using a Samsung, I don't know how to use it. So I'm just trying my best, you know. I'm trying my best to hurry it up, you know. Come on. What are you doing? Oh, blimey. Oh. All right. Well, it's not working, is it? That's why I don't use Samsungs. Okay. Because I don't think I have the patience for it. Okay. Yep. We've done it now. We're finished. Go down. Oh, how annoying. How do you people use Samsungs? Oh, blimey. Cool, blimey. Okie doke. Okay, share this out, guys, while you're waiting, and let me know of any Oh, I haven't heard Deborah Morgan in ages. I'd love to sing some of her songs, but I don't know any of them. I don't wanna see is that's all I know. I use Oppo. Awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna sing something for you, and you guys are gonna watch. I'm gonna sing it with no feeling at all. And this is about what we call in the technique the dynamics, okay? And so the dynamics are really, really, really important, because without the dynamics, we can't get the emotions across. We can't actually make people feel what we feel, okay? So in order to do that, we have to understand what singing is. Singing, broken down, is sound, right? You need your vocal cords vibrate and it makes sound, but when you are singing and it's creating sound, it emits a frequency. So that means the frequency that you're singing from is actually transferable. So you absolutely can transfer the emotion that you feel in the song. We've all heard a singer and been like, oh, I feel that, you know, sort of thing. So I want to teach you how to do that. When you sing, I want to teach you to be able to activate that, to activate the limbic system, or the emotions and the memories and the feelings of the people that are listening to you sing, right? Okay, so what's the song, guys? Talofa, Yeti Tala, Feli, Melea, hello, Rarotonga, love it. Hi, Lamara. Okay, so what we're going to do, hi, Alan. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to sing a song. Let's go to... Jojo, what's a song? I've gone blank.
Mariah Carey.
Hopelessly Devoted. Good thinking. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to sing Hopelessly Devoted. And you guys are going to... I'm going to sing it with no feelings and no frequency at all. Okay? I'm just going to sing it as dull as I can. So that you guys can absolutely see what I mean. Okay, hi Nisa, hi Manny. Okay. I'm gonna sing it as dull as possible, okay? Have a listen. Tell me if my music or my mic is too loud. Guess mine is not the first heartbroken. My eyes are not the first to cry. I'm not the first to know there's just no getting over you. You know I'm just a fool who's willing to sit around. You guys are loving that? What's wrong with you? But baby, can't you see there's nothing left for me to do? Do you guys hear how boring that is? Okay. What I want you to understand is that what I want you to understand is that when we're singing, we are, you know, the frequency that we're emitting from our storytelling, from our singing, it actually activates an emotion or a memory or a feeling in the person that we're listening to, right? So if you think about it this way, when we think about the human condition does not have a perfect experience. We've all had a flawed, exactly, Manny, I look like I don't want to sing. Okay, but wait till you guys see the difference. You're not going to just see the difference. You're going to hear the difference and feel the difference when I do it with all my heart. This is the great thing about the limbic system in the brain. It cannot get activated until you give 100%. If you just hold back and you're singing like a moikolo, then you're only going to get a moikolo response. You're only going to get a half pie response from your audience. But when you give 100%, when you're going to give it your all, you get 100% response from your audience. Okay, so let me try it again. And this time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sing it with all my heart, just like John Travolta left me with all of our kids, and I'm singing this to him. John, come back. Share this out, guys. All right, let me know if the music's not loud enough. Guess mine is not the first heartbroken. My eyes are not the first to cry. I'm not the first to know there's just no getting over you. You know I'm just a fool who's willing to sit around and wait for you. But baby, can't you see there's nothing left for me to do? I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside. I'm out of my head. I'm hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Right? So could you guys feel a difference in that second time? Let me tell you something about the way that the limbic system works. And this is how you as a performer can absolutely determine what kind of reaction you're going to get out of your audience. I already know when I'm going to go and sing a song, I am not going to sing it half pie. I'm going to give my whole heart, my everything. You can see it on my face. I mean it. Like, John, where are you? Why you was leave me, John Travolta? Do you know what I mean? Like, I sing the songs as if I had written them myself. You know, as if John was leave me with no child support. He was gone for days. He was go off with his friends first, and I can't find him. And do you know what I mean? And I'm ringing his mother's house and his father's house. I'm ringing everybody's house to find my husband. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's how I'm going to sing the song. Like, it happened to me, right? So when you actually sing it like that and you're giving it 100%, there is a part in the brain of your audience, of your listener, that is called the limbic system. And it just sits above the brainstem at the back. Now, that part there houses everybody's memories and emotions. So you don't think when I'm going to sing like that, I'm going to sing Love Will Lead You Back by Blue by You. Oh, I love that song. But I'm going to sing it at a higher key because I can't sing it as low because girl, I gotta tell you, Linda Ronstadt is neck level love. Like, I love this girl. And I'm still learning the song, so just get over it if I make a mistake. Who cares? Wala bang alo yongi. Wala bang sola. Leva sola malesi fifinga ngu, right? So if you think about it like this, I absolutely can control the emotion that I'm going to trigger, the memory that I'm going to trigger, the feelings that I'm going to trigger in your brain, because you've had an experience of loss, you've had an experience of pain and suffering and hurt at some point. So that's easier to access and easier to trigger in your audience than trying to get a perfect performance. No one can identify with perfect, but you can identify with broken. So if I, as the storyteller, can be broken for you, you will absolutely identify with me, right? Okay, so you want to hear some Whitney. Let's do Run to You. Sorry, I don't like any of the backing tracks that are on here for I Will Always Love You, so I'll just do Run to You. As you can hear, my voice is a bit of a sick at the moment, so just deal with it, who cares? Okay, so you've got to be an intelligent performer, okay? I'm going to sing it like I don't care about whether, you know, I'm going to sing it like I don't run, okay? Ooh, I know that when you look at me, there's so much that you just don't see. What's that activating in you? You just want to be like, shh, wait, okay? You just want to smack. How many times do you see your kids sing like that and you just want to go, oh my gosh, okay? All right, so now I'm going to sing it with emotion, with feelings, because I want to trigger that in your brain, okay? Who isn't always strong? Can't you see the hurt in me? I feel so all alone. I wanna run to you. I wanna run to you. Won't you hold me in your arms and keep me safe from harm? I'm gonna sing it normal. I wanna run to you. And if I come to you, tell me, will you stay or will you run away? Now, let's feel, hear, and see the difference. Each day I play the role of someone always in control, but at night I come home and turn the key. My mic is going, buddy, there no one cares for me. Oh, what's the sense in trying hard to find your dreams without someone to share it with? Now tell me, what does it mean? I wanna run to you. I wanna run to you. Tell me, won't you hold me in your arms and keep me safe from harm? I wanna run to you. But if I come to you, tell me, will you stay or will you run away? Run away. Oh, I need you here. I need you here to wipe away my tears, to kiss away my fears. Oh Lord, if you only knew how much I wanna run to you. I wanna run to you. Won't you hold me in your arms and keep me safe from harm? I wanna run to you. And if I come to or will you run away? Right, so can you guys see the difference? Can you guys feel the difference? Elijah, I'm just gonna change my batteries because I don't know why it's not working.
Yes, Mummy.
Yes, mother. Yes, mother dearest, what is it?
What can I do for you?
Can you please change that, darling? Change the batteries. Yeah, I need the batteries changed, please, darling. Thank you. All right, so you guys can see what I mean, right? So when you're not giving it your all, you sound like a piece of... You just might as well go and jump in the rubbish bin, don't ya? You got to I need it really quickly, honey. So as quick as you can, please. So you want to make sure that when you are singing, that you're giving it 100%, because that activates your feelings and emotions and your memories, but it activates it also in your audience, right? You want to make sure that your audience feels it. You don't want to just sing for yourself. That's selfish, isn't it? You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's go back. Let's do it again. I'm going to do that song again, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys the difference, right? I'm going to sing that really hard out part. You give me the wings, what made me fly. Okay. Hold on, we're just waiting for our mic, guys. Hold on in there. Yeah, quickly, come on. All right, so you guys enjoying these tips? Because at the end of the day, all I'm trying to do is get you to be your ultimate best singer. You know, whether you're just singing in the, yes, Priscilla, RTC on top. Oh, gosh, I can listen to you all day and night, sip some Moscato's wines. Oh, yes, girl. I don't know Love on the Brain. I tried to sing it the other day and it's really low for me. Nerves get in the way with me. Okay, great. So, Callie, let's talk about your nerves. Let's talk about your nerves, Callie. Okay, if you actually understand where nerves comes from, it also is, if you think of your limbic system as a filing cabinet, okay? It's a filing cabinet in the brain. No, I don't, darling, sorry. Sorry, Mahina. So if you think of your limbic system as a filing cabinet for all your emotions, feelings, and memories in the brain, okay? So something triggers your fear, whether it's being embarrassed or wanting to sound perfect, whatever that is, you've got to actually be honest with yourself. What is it really that triggers that fear? What is it really that starts you being nervous and things like that? Nerves, by the way, are completely normal. They're released by a chemical called cortisol in the brain, right? And cortisol makes us really question ourselves and our environment. Are we safe? Are people going to laugh at me? It's the fight or flight chemical that comes that gets activated in the limbic system as soon as you're in danger. So for some reason in our childhood, when we were growing up, we have innate memories that are associated with singing. The number one being people laughing at us or us thinking that we're not good enough to perform in front of people. So when we can actually identify that and realize that's a lie, then we're able to calm down the nerves. I can actually talk my girls when we go sing. The girls and I were auditioning for a big television program. We've already auditioned and stuff like that, and they've had to postpone everything because of COVID. But once we go back on it, I had to talk my girls out of their nerves and out of their fear. And the way that I did that was clear and present danger. Are you in danger right now? Are people going to laugh at you? Most likely. That's fine. Are you going to get haters? Yes, most likely. Is it going to stop you from living your dream? Is this going to stop you from singing your heart out? No. Who the hell cares? Why do you care so much what people think? Nerves comes from not our fear of performance sometimes, but it also comes from fear of people's reactions, right? So I don't want you to keep caring about reactions. So stop caring about reactions, honey. I bet you if you just didn't think for a moment of people's reactions to how you sing, you'd actually be great. You'd actually just sing. Who cares? Nerves are completely normal, but we can put them under control by telling ourselves the truth. I'm safe. No one's going to laugh at me. We're in a karaoke setting, so everybody's making mistakes. Who cares? It's your own level of perfection on yourself, right? Okay, so I'm going to do that again. I'm going to do that part where she goes hard out, okay? Yeah, we got to stop caring. We care too much. Listen to the difference. Hey, Vika! Listen to the difference when I don't activate my amygdala or activate your brain. run to you. But if I come to you, okay, so when you care and when you let yourself get scared, right? You look stupid, okay? Don't look stupid. The way to get over... What people don't realize is that the uglier you look, the better you sound. So don't be afraid to get ugly when you sing. It activates your memories and emotions. It activates the memories and emotions in your audience. I need you here to wipe away my tears, to kiss away my fears. Oh, Lord, if you only knew how much I wanna run to you. I wanna run to you. Ooh, tell me, won't you hold me in your arms and keep me safe from harm? I wanna run to you. Do you think though that your audience will believe you if you're like, to you? Ooh, tell me, will you stay? Or will you run away? You best believe he gon' run. You best believe he's gonna run out on you, girl, if you singing like that, okay? Let's do Blue by You. Remember, I'm still learning the song, guys. I've only sung it like 3 or 4 times. So if I make a mistake, who cares? See, I'm not afraid to make a mistake if it means I'm gonna get better, right? If it means I'm gonna get better at singing the song. Linda Ronstadt, I love this lady. I wish I could sing like her. She's just got this break in her voice and it's just so beautiful to listen to. Higher key, okay. I love this song. Remember, if I make mistake, who cares? I will take you up on the online lessons from next week, my poor neighbors. Awesome, Callie. Don't worry. You're going to learn not just how to, get your voice absolutely beautiful ship shape, but you're also going to learn all the stuff about the brain. I teach that. That's actually like 50% of my teaching, because we cannot become confident without understanding how our minds work, how our brains work. Share this out, guys. This one's called Blue by You. And it's by my auntie Linda. She used to teach the kura kaupapa in Papakura. And Auntie Linda is one of my favorite singers. Remember, I'm still learning it, so who cares if I make a mistake? Oh, I love this song. Girl, stop. I don't know if I already started. Oh yeah, it's already started. I missed it, see? Because I don't know it. I feel so bad, I got a worried mind. I'm so lonesome all of the time, since I left my baby behind on Blue Bayou. Saving nickels, saving dimes, working till the sun don't shine, looking forward to happier times on Blue Bayou. I'm going back someday, come what may, to Blue Bayou, where the folks are fine and the world is mine on Blue Bayou, where those fishing boats with their sails afloat. If I could only see that familiar sunrise through sleepy eyes, how happy I'd be. You can feel that, right? Now I'm gonna sing it with no emotion. See my baby tonight, gonna be with some of my friends. Maybe I'll feel better again on Blue Bayou. Who wants to watch that? Saving nickels, saving dimes, working till the sun don't shine, looking forward to happier times
on Blue Bayou. I'm going back someday.
Okay, who wants to listen to that? No one. I can tell you 100%. If you're expecting people to stop and be like, hey, do you know I would rather watch a kid that gives 100% but sounded bad than watch a kid who's via mangaya and can sing? You know what I mean? So I'm gonna sing it again, okay? With emotion, I want you to give me lots of love hearts if you can feel it.
Gonna see my baby again. Gonna be with some of my friends. Maybe I'll feel better again on Blue Bayou. Saving nickels, saving dimes, working till the sun don't shine. Looking forward to happier times on Blue Bayou.
Sing it with me. Sing it with 100% at home.
I'm coming back someday, come what may, to Blue Bayou, where the folks are fine and the world is mine on Blue Bayou, where those fishing boats with their sails of love, if I could only see that familiar sunrise through sleepy eyes, how happy I'd be.
Can you feel the emotion? It's coming through. I want you to feel it. I want you to know that I'm singing to you like you are my Blue Bayou, okay? Remember, what we feel goes across to our audience, so we need to be smart about how we're performing. Everybody can pick up whether you don't want to be there or not, okay?
Oh, that by my side, the silver moon and the evening tide. Oh, some sweet day, gonna take away this hurting inside.
Hi, Sinima.
Well, I'd never be blue, my dreams come true on Blue Bayou.
I gotta tell ya, something about, honestly, there's something about Linda Ronstadt and her voice in it. It hits you right in the core, hits you right in the soul, doesn't it? It's like so beautiful when I listen to her sing. Oh, it's like something goes off. See, that's what I mean. Linda Ronstadt is that kind of performer. She's like, you know, you're gonna feel it. I'm gonna make you feel it. Do you know what I mean? Okay? Be in love with yourself. Okay, Rigo. Hi, bro. Thank you, Roni. Okay, so let's do some Celine. Okay? You guys, I'm not a Celine fan, but lately I've been learning some Celine songs, and I'm telling y'all, I'm loving her songs. Okay, so this is a fast one, so we're going to speed it up. All right. Yeah, why, you know, can I ask you guys, why do we care what people think about us when we, just in general, not just when we sing? Like, I'm glad that singing has helped me to stop caring what people think. You should hear some of the things people have said to me while I'm walking a stage, like trying to block my confidence in that. I'm sorry. I was raised in Te Whituala in Safata in Samoa, where confidence is key, and the women in my family are just like, you know what I mean? Like, they are confidence 100 million. So it does absolutely, like, it's ingrained in me. But at the same time, out in the bigger world, I had to learn to overcome that. I really had to overcome the fear of people. And the way that I do it is comedy, you know, sort of thing. And the way that I do it is I'm going to own that stage. I'm going to tell that story. Okay? Like this. Okay? Amana, how are you, darling? Thank you so much, Time Money. Time Money. T-Money. Thanks, Time Money. We don't care. That's right. Hi, Tyrone. Okay, so this one's called I Drove All Night, didn't I? Now, I've got to warn you, There's a lyric in the song where it's like, I crept in your room like a moikolos and stuff like that. Don't worry about that, okay? I love this song. And you're going to see the joy when I sing it, okay? You're going to see the joy. Darren, I added you. Did you add me? Had to escape, the city was sticky and cruel. Maybe I should have called you first, but I was dying to get to you. I was dreaming while I drove the long straight road ahead. Oh yeah. Could taste your sweet kisses, your arms open wide. This fever for you is just burning me up inside. I drove all night to get to you. Is that alright? I drove all night, crept in your room, woke you from your sleep to make love to you. Is that alright? Drove all night. Alright, I'm gonna sing it with no emotion now. You guys are gonna see it completely shift. What in this world keeps us from falling apart? No matter where I go, I hear the beating of our one heart. I was thinking we're gonna do, the night is cold and dark. Come on. First of all, when you give 100%, your voice gets better when you're singing 100%. Nothing erases this feeling between me and you. Ooh, I drove all night to get to you. Is that alright? I drove all night, crept in your room, woke you from your sleep to make love to you. Is that alright? I drove all night. You can feel the energy because frequency is transmittable. Sound is just frequency and it's transmittable, okay? Your arms open wide. This feeling for you is just burning me up inside. I drove all night to get to you. Is that alright? I drove all night, crept in your room, woke you from your sleep. I drove all night. I drove all night to get to you. What a disparate. Is that alright? I drove all night. I crept in your room. Is that alright? I drove all night. Do you see what I mean? Do you see what I mean, guys? If you guys are going to keep caring what people think about you when you sing, you'll never actually hit your best voice. I find that I sing better when I'm not worried about the audience's reaction. All I'm going to care about is to tell the story like I wrote the story. Okay, we're going to do another Celine because I love Celine. If you don't love Celine, this is not the place for you to be right now, okay? I know, who drives all night? Sounds like a booty call to me. Okay, so Celine Dion, okie doke, guys. I'm in love with the song, so you're just gonna have to listen to it. Okay. Hi, Kayla. How are you? Thank you. My beautiful hair god, Dennis. Oh, Hair by Dennis, everybody. He gon' slay your hair. He always slays my hair. Well, gas is so cheap now. I guess you can drive all night. Okay, so all right, guys. So this is again, this song is full of drama. Now I'm gonna sing it with a lot of drama in the beginning, and then the second verse I'm gonna sing it with no drama, so you guys can see it's just better to sing with drama. Okay, make drama in your voice, not in real life. Okay, stay out of people's business. Okay. Thank you, T-Money. T-Money. This is so dramatic.
There were nights when the wind was so cold that my body froze in bed if I just listened to it right outside my window. There were days when the sun was so cruel that all the tears turned to dust, and I just knew my eyes were drying up forever. I finished crying in the instant that you left, and I can't remember when or where or how, and I banished every memory you and I had ever made. But when you touch me like this and you hold me like that, I just have to admit that it's all coming back. When I touch you like this and I hold you like that, it's so hard to believe, but it's all coming back to me. There were moments of gold and there were flashes of light. There were things I never do again, but then it always seemed right. There were nights of endless pleasure, more than any loss of love. Baby, baby, if I kiss you like this, and if you whisper like that, it was lost long ago, but it's all coming back to me. If you want me like this, and if you need me like that, it was dead long ago, but it's all coming back. It's so hard to resist, but it's all, I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me now.
Okay, I'm gonna sing it with no emotion now. Okay. Because I'd rather be pretty.
But you were history with the slamming of the door, and I made myself so strong again somehow, and I never wasted any of my time on you since then. But if I touch you like this, and if you kiss me like that, it was so long ago, but it's all coming back to me. If you touch me like this, and if I kiss you like that, it was gone with the wind, but it's all coming back. It's all coming back, it's all coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and there were flashes of light. There were things I never do again, but then they'd always seem right. There were nights of endless pleasure, more than any loss of love. Baby, baby, if you touch me like this, and when you hear me like that, it was gone with the wind, but it's all coming back. When you see me like this, and when I see you like that, then we see what we want, but it's all coming back. And the No way. You can't sing. You can't sing songs like that. Just go for it, okay? It was more than any loss of love. Baby, baby, if you touch me like this, and then we could hold me like that. I don't know the words. It was gone with the wind, but it's so calm. Can you feel the difference though? Not just hearing. Can you feel the difference? And when I see you like that, let me see what we want, but it's all coming back. The flesh and the fantasies all coming back. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me now. If you forgive me like this, if you forgive me like that.
Okay, so do you get what I mean, guys? Okay, so you can hear the difference, but can you feel the difference? The reason why I ask if you can feel the difference is because I'm trying to stimulate your memories. I'm trying to stimulate, your memories of pain or whatever it is to associate to this song. And the way that we can do that is to make sure that you're telling the story. I use 3 tools for this, okay? The first is the wave. And the wave is really, really cool because it's just a change in the volume, right? So if I go, what's the words? I finished crying in the instant that you left, and I can't remember when or where or how, and I haven't wasted any of my time on you since then. If I kiss you, right? Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I want to show you guys what I mean by changing the volume. Okay. What I mean by changing the volume. Okay. So instead of just going, I finished crying in the instant that you left, and I can't remember when or where or how, and I never wasted any of my time on you since then. Okay, nice, cool, but it doesn't activate anything. We want to make sure that our audience feels what we feel, right? I finished crying in the instant that you left, and I can't remember where or when or how, and I never wasted any of my time on you since then. Okay, by changing the volume here and there, we're able to activate a different emotion in the brain, in our listener. Okay, so the other one that I do is the crying voice. Okay, and the crying voice is really easy. Just sound like you're crying. Just sound like you're crying. Okay, so instead of I finished crying in the instant that you left, and I can't remember when or where or how. That's nice, okay? Let's do it with a little bit of crying and a little bit of the wave, the change in the volume. I finished crying in the instant that you left, and I can't remember when or where or how, and I never wasted any of my time on you since then. Right? So we're going to put that extra emotion in it, right? So yes, Kelly, it does depend on the song. I find that when I try to apply it to as many songs as I can, the song does sound better overall because we're using the wave, we're using the crying voice to be able to express those feelings. I mean, can you imagine being a vocal teacher and you had to tell, you had to teach an 8-year-old, you had to pretend that you've been hurt, you had to pretend that you've been broken before. So these are the tools that I've developed to be able to teach children, but adults need them as well, right? To teach children to not be afraid to sound like you're crying or to sound like you're changing the volume in the song, because what that actually does is changes the frequency or the intention of how you're putting it out, right? So if I'm just like, I finished crying in the end, you can tell my intention is not to move you, right? And you can feel it, you can see it. My intention is to move you. I finished crying in the instant that you left, and I can't remember when or where or how, right? So you can hear the wave, you can hear the crying voice, because I want you to feel something when I sing, okay? And the only way to do that is to make sure that we're using those two tools when we sing. I use it for as many songs as I can. There's very few songs, and you can use it fast, slow, it doesn't matter. Happy, sad, as long as you are doing those two, you're fine, okay? Hi, yes, Kelly. That's a man's voice. Oh, the shade, girl. Thank you, Manny. Okay, so we're going to sing one more song. Let's do River Deep, Mountain High. It's a bit loud, so like turn down your radio or what, your cell phone, whatever you're listening to. Okay. I'm just learning the song, so if I get it wrong, who cares? Okay? Don't worry about it. It's only a song. It's not going to kill you or something, okay? So if I get it wrong, who cares? Okay? So I'm just going to try it, all right? So, it's on, right?
When I was a little girl, I had a rag doll, the only doll I've ever known. Now I love you just the way I love that rag doll. You can feel my intention. I don't care about how you receive it. Now I'm gonna sing like I care. And it gets stronger in every way, and it gets deeper, let me say, and it gets higher day by day. Do I love you, my own boy? River deep, mountain high, yeah, yeah, yeah. If I lost you, would I cry? Oh, how I love you, baby, 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 baby. When you were a young boy, did you have a puppy that always followed you around? If you watched, what's that wrestler? Jack Black. He goes, I like the puppies. Okay. No, I'll never let you down, 'cause it gets stronger like the river flows, and it gets deeper, baby, and heaven knows, and it gets sweeter, baby, as it grows. Do I love you, my own boy? River deep, mountain high, yeah, yeah, yeah. If I lost you, would I cry? Oh, how I love you, baby, 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 baby. So you can hear my intention even in a fast song. You can put that really beautiful, I love you, baby, like the flower loves the spring. I love you, baby, like a robin loves to sing. I love you, baby, like a schoolboy loves his pants. And I love you, baby, river deep and mountain high. I love you, my own boy. River deep, mountain high, yeah, yeah, yeah. If I lost you, would I cry? Oh, how I love you, baby, 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 baby. Oh my goodness, Tina Turner.
I love it, girl. You know what? Your song just like hit me in the feels, girl. Like you got it, boo. She's got it. Whew, that sound. Hey, nephew, what's up? Thank you, Tussie. Appreciate it. Your poopy is lying on you. Yay, Kelly. All right, guys. Okay, so that's it. So remember those tools. We want to use the crying voice. We also want to use the wave to change the volume in different parts of the song so that it gets a different frequency going. When we're giving out a different frequency, people can feel whether we love what we're singing or whether they don't, or whether we don't. Okay. So I want you guys to be really intelligent performers. Hi, it's your neighbor. Could you please quiet down? I'm trying to sleep. I swear my neighbors are awesome. I'm singing, like I'm teaching right till 12 sometimes because I have to teach overseas. And I swear I've never like, they are so good. Thank you, neighbors. I was love you. Maybe it's because I bribed them with bangi popos and they don't realize that I didn't bake it properly. It's meant to be baked all the way through, but I just give it like that. Anyway, but that's a whole nother story. Anyway, just joking. Okay, so give it your all. Don't hold back. All right. And if you guys want to know more, go check me out on Marina Davis Music. Go onto YouTube, Marina Davis Music, Instagram, TikTok. I just signed up on TikTok last night. I don't know why. I'm just gonna do it. Yeah, just go for it. I'm just gonna post up on there, give them a little bit of the Marina Davis, you know, like turn your volume up, put it right next to your ear experience. That's the one, Manny. That's the one. And don't forget, guys, sign up to the 57% off, $15 per week for group lessons. Come on. Like, that is the bomb. Rumors. My song, Rumors. Lex, do you know my... Girl, stop. I've got to go. I've got to get back to lessons. But, guys, love you. And I hope you guys learned something new. I hope you guys feel better, feel stronger, feel more confident to express yourselves when you sing, because that's what singing is all about. Letting go and having fun and expressing yourself and being confident, not holding it back, not being vain, not being selfish, not being, you know what I mean, guarded. Just let it go. Gosh, what have you got to lose? Okay, except your friends. Just joking. No, you do not. Oh my gosh, that's my favorite song too, Lex. Love you. Love you heaps. Okay, guys. Mwah. Love you. Have a great day. God bless. And see you guys next time.